Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of spaghetti carbonara. It's a super famous and yummy pasta dish straight from Rome, Italy. Picture this. You're in a cozy Roman restaurant. The air smells amazing, like garlic, salty pork and cheese. You see a plate of golden spaghetti covered in a rich, creamy sauce. That's spaghetti carbonara. This dish is all about keeping things simple and using really good ingredients. No fancy sauces or tricky steps, just pure Italian comfort food. Ready to bring a little bit of Rome to your kitchen? Let's do it! For a perfect carbonara, you need the best ingredients. Each one is super important for the real deal flavor. Spaghetti, use dried spaghetti. It's perfect for the sauce to stick to. Guanciale. This is cured pork cheek. It gives a salty, savory flavor that's hard to beat. If you can't find it, pancetta works too. Eggs. These are the stars of the carbonara sauce. Use fresh, top-quality eggs for the best taste and creaminess. Pecorino Romano cheese. This is a hard, salty cheese made from sheep's milk. It gives that classic sharp and tangy taste. Black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper is a must. It adds a spicy kick and makes the flavor deeper. Remember, good ingredients make a big difference. Time for the fun part, cooking. Follow these steps for perfect carbonara. 1. Cook the spaghetti. Boil a big pot of salty water. Add the spaghetti and cook until al dente. That means it's cooked but still a little firm. 2. Get the guanciale ready. While the spaghetti cooks, cut the guanciale into small pieces. Put the guanciale in a cold pan. Cook over low heat until the fat melts out and the guanciale is crispy. 3. Make the egg mix. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, grated Pecorino Romano cheese and lots of freshly ground black pepper. 4. Mix it all together. When the spaghetti is cooked, drain it but save some of the pasta water. Quickly add the spaghetti to the pan with the guanciale and toss to coat. 5. The creamy technique. Take the pan off the heat. Slowly pour the egg mixture into the pasta, stirring all the time. The heat from the pasta will cook the eggs and make a creamy sauce. 6. Fix the thickness. If the sauce is too thick, add a little pasta water to make it thinner. Creamy dreams. Getting the perfect texture. The secret to a great carbonara is that smooth, creamy sauce. Here's how to get it. Don't overcook the pasta. Overcooked spaghetti will be mushy. Temper the eggs. Slowly add a little hot pasta water to the egg mix before adding it to the pasta. This stops the eggs from scrambling. Off the heat. The heat from the pasta and guanciale is enough to cook the eggs. Cooking the sauce directly on the heat will scramble the eggs. Stir constantly. Stirring while adding the egg mix makes sure it cooks evenly and makes a smooth sauce. Follow these tips and you'll have a super creamy carbonara that you'll love. Carbonara crimes, mistakes to avoid. Even pros can make these carbonara mistakes using cream. Real carbonara doesn't have cream. The creaminess comes from the eggs, cheese and pasta water. Overcooking the eggs, adding the egg mix straight to the hot pan will scramble them, using the wrong cheese. Pecorino Romano is the real deal for carbonara. It has a strong, salty flavor that goes perfectly with everything else. Not using enough pepper. Black pepper is a super important flavor in carbonara. Use lots. Avoid these mistakes and your carbonara will be amazing. Buon appetito! Time to enjoy! Your spaghetti carbonara is ready. Serve it right away in warm bowls. For an extra touch, add more grated Pecorino Romano cheese. Sprinkle lots for extra saltiness and to make it look pretty. Freshly ground black pepper. A last bit of pepper makes the flavors even better. Chopped fresh parsley adds a bit of color and freshness. Enjoy!